Net Backup OpsCenter Server Installation. Net Backup OpsCenter is a web-based application capable of monitoring, alerting, and reporting for the net backup. OpsCenter comes in two options, OpsCenter and OpsCenter Analytics. Net Backup OpsCenter is a free product which gives the ability to monitor, alert and do operational reporting on net backup. The free version limits historical reporting. OpsCenter Server is part of Net Backup and can be deployed on master server for managing a single domain, or independently for managing multiple net backup domains. OpsCenter Analytics is a licensed option that is unlocked with a key. This gives the customer the ability to display customizable, multi-level views of backup and archive resources, and customizable reports for tracking service usage and expenditures, and has no limits for historical reporting. Firewall ports need to be open for OpsCenter Server bidirectionally as shown. The table lists the communication ports that are used by key OpsCenter components. Installation procedure. Browse the setup and run it with admin privileges. Select OpsCenter Server installation and proceed. In Installation Choice window, select Default Settings Only and click Next. Enter the license key for Analytics version or simply skip for plain OpsCenter Server and click Next. Take a note of Install Directory, which will come in handy while configuring backup for OpsCenter Server, and proceed with install. Once the installation complete, launch the OpsCenter console as shown. You can launch the OpsCenter from Windows All Programs or the Web UI link from browser as shown. Log in with the default credentials provided. Now go to Settings, Configuration, Net Backup, Add, and enter the details and credentials of the Net Backup master server and test the connection. Once the test connection is successful, you'll see the OpsCenter dashboard as shown. Now, go to Report, Templates. Here, you can see the predefined templates for reporting purposes. You can also create your own customized reports using Create Your Report as shown. This concludes OpsCenter Server installation. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.